Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Fashion Nova gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to be using a web browser on my laptop here, and now I'm going to go to fashionnova.com. Now I'm going to click continue here. And from here you want to make sure to log in. So click on the user profile here and click on sign in or sign up. Alright, now for this demonstration I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So in the men's section here, I'm going to shop now. Alright, I'm going to choose this denim shirt here. Alright, extra large, add to bag. And now from here, I'm going to go to proceed to checkout. And now I'm on the checkout page of Fashion Nova. And now put in your delivery address here, etc. Delivery method, payment method, put in your details here. And on the right here, you've got under the product, you got discount code or gift card. Go ahead and put that in here and then click apply. And then whatever that gift card or discount code is, will take it off your total order. And you can do an express checkout after that. So you can do Shop Pay, PayPal, GPay. Scroll all the way down. Once you've got that gift card in, click on pay now, and you're good to make the purchase with using a gift card.